ask you a question. Have you noticed that recently your YouTube video views are getting fewer views than before? You upload a video, you put effort into editing, you design a good thumbnail. It says 10 views, 20 views, maybe 50 views. Asking yourself, what is happening to my channel? If this is happening to you, you are not alone. Thousands of creators are experiencing the same problem right now. But today I'm going to explain why YouTube videos are getting low views recently, the biggest mistake creators are making, and most important, how to fix it. Because the truth is, your channel is not be dying. You might be missing one important thing. Stay till the end, because reason number 5 is the one destroying most channel. The first reason your videos are getting low views recently is simple. The YouTube algorithm has changed. YouTube is constantly updating how it recommends its videos. Before, YouTube used to push videos based mainly on clicks, watch time, but now the algorithm focus on something else: viewer satisfaction. This means YouTube asks one question: did people enjoy watching your videos? Not just click, but things like, did they watch long? Did they like it? Did they comment? Did they watch another video after? If the answer is no, YouTube will stop recommending your video. The second big reason for low view is low CTR. CTR means click-through rate. This simply means out of 100 people that see your video thumbnail, how many actually click? It's only 2 people click. YouTube assumes your video is not interesting, and once YouTube thinks that, it stop recommending your video, even if your content is amazing, which means your title and thumbnail are extremely important. Most creators make this mistake. They focus too much on the video, but they ignore the packaging. Your video packaging includes thumbnail, title, first impression. Another major reason for low views is audience retention. This means how long people watch your video. If your video is 10 minutes but people only watch 1 minute, YouTube will stop promoting it, because the algorithm believes viewers are not interested. The biggest mistake creators make is boring intro. If the first 15 seconds are not interesting, most people will leave. And once viewers leave early, the video dies. So the first second must be hook the viewer, create curiosity, promise value. For example, instead of saying hello guys, welcome back to my channel, you can say most YouTubers fail because of this one mistake. Immediately the viewers want to know what mistake. YouTube is more competitive than ever. Every minute thousands of videos are uploaded. That means your video is competing with big channels, big thumbnails, better editing, viral content. If your video doesn't stand out, it will be get buried. That's why successful creators focus on unique titles, strong thumbnails, trending topics instead of random topics. This is the biggest reason most channels lose views. Creators post what they like instead of what the audience wants. Let me give you an example. If your audience watches mostly tech views, phone comparison, gadget tips, but sadly you upload a random vlog, your audience will ignore it. And when your own subscribers don't click your videos, YouTube think the video is not interesting, which kills the reach. This is why you must always check your YouTube analytics. Look at which videos get most views, which topics your audience loves, which videos brings new subscribers, then create more videos like that. Another silent killer of YouTube view is inconsistency. If you upload a video today, then disappear for 3 weeks, the algorithm will stop pushing your content. YouTube prefers creators who upload consistency because it keeps viewers on the platform. You do not need to upload every day, but you should have scheduled it. For example, 2 videos per week or 1 video every week. Consistency builds momentum. So how do you fix low views? Here are 5 simple strategies. 1. Improve your thumbnails. Make them bold, clear, and emotional. 2. Write curiosity titles. Titles should make viewers want to click. 3. Hook viewers in the first 15 seconds. 4. Post content your audience wants. 5. Stay consistent. If you do these 5 things consistently, your channel will start growing again. Remember this, low views do not mean your channel is finished. Sometimes it just means you need a better strategy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like the video and subscribe for more YouTube tips. And in the comment, tell me what's your biggest struggle on YouTube right now. I will see you in the next video.